Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear friends. Today I'm gonna teach you that how you can download and install Latex on your computer easily and very easily. It will work properly. PDF will run easily. We will install all the packages. Just follow what I am doing. Just open the Google first and you have to type here Mickey Tex. Basically, Latex is a combination of two softwares. One is called Mikitex and the second one is called WinEdit. So we have opened mikitex.org. So just go to downloads. When you click download, a page will open where you can download this file from. My internet is very slow. I hope you have opened your page. Come on. In Pakistan, we have the internet problems. As you can see, okay, it's open. So now, okay, this is 195 MB file. So click download. It will ask you that you want to save this file. So click save file and it will start the downloading. Okay, now you have to open another window. You have to go to google.com and then you have to type WinEdit, WINEDT, WinEdit. It will open a page winedit.com. Go to downloads and you can see here two WinEdit forms: WinEdit 10.3 32-bit, WinEdit 10.3 64-bit. So you can download 32-bit or 64-bit. It depends on your system. My system is 64-bit, so I'm gonna download 64-bit. So click save file and this will start downloading. You can see both the files are downloading here. My net speed is very slow, but I have already downloaded them, so I just cancel them and I go to the page where I have downloaded them. You can see here, after downloading, Mikitex will be in this shape and WinEdit will be in this shape. Remember one thing, first of all you have to install the Mikitex. To install Mikitex, just double click it. This is opening. Okay, now click I accept the Mikitex copying conditions. Next. Okay, now install Mikitex for anyone who uses this computer. Next. Okay, now here he will ask you that where you want to install. It's better that you install this on your drive where you have your Windows. Like I have my Windows in the C drive, so I'm going to install it on C. So I click next. Okay, so now just here is one thing that you have to click: install missing packages on the fly. Install missing packages on the fly. Just click this and you will get here yes. It ask me first is already written there, but you have to click yes. Okay, you can see I have clicked yes here. Okay, now next, start. The basic reason that we clicked yes there is that it will install all the packages by itself. It will take some time for installation, but it will install everything by itself. When we run the PDF, we always get a file problem that is called .sty. .sty is a package basically, and you cannot install it by yourself. Like you can't install it manually. That's why you have to click on the fly and you have to click yes. So this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to wait till then. till this is going to install, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get all these kind of videos. I will explain you how to use latex, how to install latex, how to give bullets and numbering in latex, how to type your paper, how to do your research. Latex is a software. Basically it is used for physics, statistics, mathematics, and everything where you have mathematics formulas. You have to use latex for that. So this is a software which is used for writing research papers. Mostly about 90% research journals demand their paper in latex form, but there are some journals who demand the research papers in word form. But learning latex is helpful for you. It is easy, quite easy. Just you can subscribe my channel and you will learn latex easily. This is about to install. Remember the steps. First we have to install the Mikitex, and then we have to install WinEdit. It's almost done. Come on, come on. I'm using very easy English language so that everyone, Chinese, Japanese, American, will obviously understand every kind of English, but I'm using this kind of style only for those people who have low English like me. This is almost done within a minute. It is a heavy software. You need about 2 GB space in your system to install this latex. Oh, it's done. Click next, and Mikitex has been successfully installed. Okay, next, completing the Mikitex setup wizard. You have successfully completed the Mikitex setup wizard. Close. Okay, now you have to install WinEdit. This is WinEdit, so open it. Next, I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click it. Next, WinEdit 10.3. Next, admin installation. Next, it is going to install on C. That's good. Next, next, next. It is a small software. It will install in a minute. Okay, completing WinEdit 10 setup. WinEdit 10 has been installed on your computer. Finish. Okay, now you can see both the softwares are installed. In your here taskbar, WinEdit will open automatically, so you can click it, and this is the setup of WinEdit. Don't worry about the unregistered copy. No need to register it. This will work properly. All the work will be done here. No problem will come in this unregistered copy. Okay, now if you have a latex file, then you can use here to check that the PDF is opening or not. Otherwise, you can download the latex material from the internet, or you can download it from internet, or if you have a file, then you can use it. So if you have a file, then click file and click open. So I have a file, I'm going to use it. I have a file with the name, come on, desktop. Okay, This is opened here already. Okay, see. Latex test. I have a test file. Open it, and this is a test file. I will open it from here. Um, Latex video, Latex test paper. Okay, you can see here. Here is written manuscript. This is T stands for text document, and you can see here it is written text document. So click it and open. So this is that latex interface. It will open here. This is a research paper which I have opened. Now I check that does it open or not. So you have to click here PDF. You can see on the top PDF. Click it. This is opening. It will install the packages itself. That's why it will take some time. This is opening. Come on, open it. And it's opening. Oh yes, it's open now. You can see here this is a PDF file. We have done it successfully. This is our success. The PDF file is opening. Otherwise you mostly download it from internet, but your file does not open. So that's it. We have done it successfully. So this was all the video. Please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Tata. Allah Hafiz.